subscribe to Technical and Programming AK and then click on bell icon for another updates. Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. In this video I will show you header footer tag and section and article tag and its attributes in this video. So first of all, open your WebStorm application, otherwise open your notepad or notepad++, then create new HTML file. Give name for HTML file, header, footer, okay. Then write code in body tag. So first of all, use your header tag here, header, in header tag h1 technical and programming AK. Use any name here, technical and programming AK. Okay, save this code. Then use section here, section tag here. In section tag use article tag here, use article, then paragraph, lorem 20 tab, use one section here, p lorem 5 tab. Save this code. And then lastly use footer tag here, footer h2, use h2 tag, use h2 ampersand copy technical and programming AK. Okay, see here, then run this page. See here, this is the header, this is the section and article here, and this is the footer tag. So then use some articles here, copy this article, paste here, and paste, and save this code. Then run again this file. See, this is a header, footer, and use the style for this header, footer and sections. Use the style tag in body, use the style tag in body tag. So first design your header, text align, text align center, background image is URL mg background1.jpg. Save this code. Then refresh your HTML page here. See here, this is the header. Then design the article and section. Then design article and section. Use the section. Use the section here. Background image is the URL. Background image URL. Background, sorry, img image folder. Background .jpg. Then article. Then use article. Background image. Background image is the URL. img background 2.jpg. Control S. Font size. Font size is a 20 pixel. See here, font size is a 20 pixel. Then run again this file. See here, give the color for this article is color white. See here, font size is 20 pixel. Font family, use the font family Comics Sans MS Sans Serif. Comics Sans MS Sans Serif. Then color is white. Color white. Then refresh this page. See here, color is white. Then last one is this is the footer, code for footer tag. So you will see a footer background color is a black, color is a white, color is a white. See here, color is a white. See here, and then text align is center. Use the text align. Text align is center. Okay. Text align is a center. See here, refresh. Text align is a center. So one mistake is here. Copy 2019. See here. Then refresh. See here. Then some animated file is used for header tag. So see here, use the animated file we use. Then first link your this CSS file. Link, use the link tag, relationship with style sheet. Then hyperlink href is animated.css. Then use animated.css here. Header class, header animated flip. See here, refresh this page with this animated. Let's infinite, use the one word here, infinite tools. Then refresh again. See here, this style for set successfully set. see ya. So I hope you like it and subscribe to my channel Technical and Programming AK, and then click on bell icon for another updates. So thanks for watching this video. Bye friends.